In this video, I'll show you how to find your LinkedIn profile URL on iPhone. If you need to send someone your LinkedIn profile for a job application, a networking message, your resume, or even your social media bio, you'll need your profile link. On iPhone, you can find that link directly inside the LinkedIn app in just a few steps. Start by opening the LinkedIn app and signing in to your account. Once you're in, tap your profile picture in the top corner. Then tap your profile again to open your full profile page. When your profile is open, look near the top section for the More option or menu. Tap that and then choose Contact Info. Inside the Contact Info section, you should see your LinkedIn profile URL. This is the direct link to your profile, and it usually looks something like linkedin.com/in/yourname. That is the link you can copy and share with employers, recruiters, classmates, clients, or anyone else you want to connect with professionally. If your version of the app gives you a sharing option, you may also be able to send the profile directly from there without manually copying and pasting the link. But if not, just copy the URL and use it wherever you need. Now here's something important to keep in mind. If your profile is not public, other people may not see the full profile when they open your link. So if you plan to share it outside LinkedIn, it's a good idea to review your public profile settings too. You can also customize your LinkedIn URL if you want it to look cleaner and more professional. A simple custom link is especially useful on resumes, email signatures, and business cards because it looks easier to read and easier to remember. So again, if you want to find your LinkedIn profile URL on iPhone, open the LinkedIn app, go to your profile, tap More, then Contact Info, and your profile link will be there. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.